Welcome to Part 13 of Basic Electrical Engineering. In this video, we will explain the units of work, power, and energy, and how they relate to electrical systems. The universal rule of energy is that energy changes form, but never disappears. The core unit for energy, encompassing mechanical, thermal, and electrical forms, is the joule J. Mechanical work is done when a force moves a body. For linear motion, work is force times distance. For rotational motion, the formula is work equals 2 times pi times n times t, with all work measured in joules. Electrical energy is the energy required to move charge through a voltage. The energy is calculated as voltage times current times time, and 1 joule equals 1 volt times 1 ampere times 1 second. For commercial energy, the unit used is the kilowatt hour, kWh. 1 kilowatt hour equals 1,000 watts times 1 hour. This is equivalent to 3.6 million joules. Thermal energy is created by electricity, typically resulting in heat. The traditional unit is the calorie, while the modern SI unit is the joule. 1 kilowatt hour is equivalent to 860 kilocalories. This matrix summarizes the energy conversions across different domains, showing the primary units and derived formulas for mechanical, electrical, and thermal energy. Power is defined as the rate of doing work, or power equals work divided by time. In electrical terms, power is voltage times current, measured in watts. The power formula decision tree helps you select the correct formula based on known variables, such as voltage and current and resistance, or voltage and resistance. For power conversion, mechanical horsepower is often converted to electrical watts. 1 horsepower is equivalent to 746 watts. Joule's law of heating states that resistance creates heat. The amount of heat generated is calculated as the square of current times resistance times time, measured in joules. The mechanical equivalent of heat, J, is 4.186 joules per calorie. The work done can be calculated as J times the heat produced. Efficiency, denoted by eta, is the ratio of useful output power to input power. The difference between input and output power is lost, primarily as heat. Poor efficiency leads to energy wasted as heat, which drastically reduces equipment lifespan, having it for every 10 degrees Celsius rise, and increases electricity bills. In summary, energy connects mechanical, electrical, and thermal systems, measured in joules. Power is the rate of energy transfer in watts, and efficiency dictates heat loss, equipment longevity, and operating cost.